Hey.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Hey guys, it's Dallas with Shift Films. Today we're gonna do a reverse lockout. The old one is just crusty plastic, so I upgraded to an aluminum black one. That's signal for you to throw it in it. Well. Magic. Oh, I got all y'all.
Got him!
This is the reverse lockout. It's not super expensive. It's like a $15 part. I didn't feel like paying 90 bucks for Cobb or Perrins when it's just got a name. Yeah, it's a little bit better metal, but I mean, it's not like I'm boom.
We do not care.
All right, Emmett, let's see your new whip. Oh, when'd you get it?
3 years ago.
Oh, okay. What's your favorite thing about it?
It sounds good.
Okay, is that it?
It looks good.
Don't you have a big spoolie boy, big turbo in there?
No.
You were supposed to say yeah. I'm done with you. So this is, hey Emmett, this is the reverse lockout that's gonna be replaced. This one's just old, crusty, yeah. All right, so first thing, you just gotta remove the shift knob. Whole bunch of turns, whole bunch of turns, whole bunch of turns. If you haven't watched the video on the shift knob, I'm gonna go ahead and put a card up here. Go ahead and click it. It's somewhere up there. Click it and you'll see the video on this shift knob right here, which is actually from a GR86, the brand new ones. And now you're ready for nitrous. We're gonna knock this little pin out. There's a small pin right here. You'll see a hole, tiny little thing. Just get a little 3/32 punch and a little hammer and just kind of hammer it out. They say these things are really annoying to get out. They're not easy. That almost happened. Oh, I think it's coming out. It's coming out. There it is. Woo. A lot of hammering later. I got hair in there. Now, just gonna stick it in reverse. Easily get this thing out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the shift boot just so it's easier. And pull the pin out, and there it is. There's all the grease and lubrication. What you're gonna try to do is I would just go ahead and get the other knob on and cover it with the shift boot just to kind of trap in all the grease. You can see the small hole in there and stuff. This is gonna be the pain part.
Since I'm helping you, don't I get a shout out, right?
That's my brother Emmett behind the camera.
Hi.
All we're trying to do is I'm just trying to get the shift boot back on just to kind of trap in all the grease, keep it minimal from coming out as I'm hammering the pin back in. Oh gosh, this is not fun, but it'll be worth it. It'll look nicer. I might have to pry around and play with it a little bit. All right, so I finally got the boot on. There you go, to kind of trapping grease. Already looks way better than it did. And time for this guy. This is gonna be fun. It should be a little bit easier, honestly. Hopefully. Let's hope for the best. Just kind of pound it back into place. Yeah, it kind of works. Well, maybe not. Uh-oh. Hold on. Hold up. Oh, I'm retarded. You know what I could have did? And it stays in place.
The more you know.
Okay, so it's going in now. Punch it in a little bit more. All right. Let's see if it works. Moment of truth. Can't go in reverse. There's first. Can't go in reverse. It works. Boom. All right, let's reassemble everything, put the boot back on, and the shift knob, and call it a day. Here's the comparison. The old one looks really old, and the new one. This one is actually aluminum, and it feels a lot more deliberate, feels a lot more snappy, and it just feels better. And this is my transmission, not one. There we go, good girl. Her transmission is temperamental, but yeah, it feels good. I like it. Thank you for watching Shift. I'm Dallas. That's the main man, Emmett, behind the camera.
Yay!
All right, see you guys later.